Two religious concepts. The Pagbaringin Organization. The Pagbaringin Organization has become the king of pagan concepts. In the region where it is operative, it almost entirely controls the regular worship and the agricultural ceremonies connected with it, and it has a powerful hold on the thoughts of the ordinary man, such as is not to be found elsewhere. Such an organization does not exist in the south of the Toba country, where the periodical views which were directed by the principal chiefs of the group. The Datu cooperated where necessary in the Paung Naupat as the representatives of Sisingamangaraja were sometimes called Jar, took part but they remained in the background. Moreover, their newer agricultural offering, the Mamele town or Mangase town, was there the consent of the villages and the smaller circle of Adnats. But in areas where the Buse was a powerful institution, the barbarians were important people. It was the secular chiefs who decided to hold a Buse ceremony. But in most of the Buse, it was the barbarian organization, while it could be very extensive, that almost completely controlled the procedure of the ceremony. An example of this organization is the small Janjiraja territory southward of Sabulan and consisting of only 1,500 people. Eight Lotung Maga live there together. Each Maga has a Raja Nawalu as its leader. Each leader has four assistants, the Raja Natulupuludua, and there are also a still larger number of Raja Parhara who attend to the summons to participate. The Siotang territory, which lies a little more to the north and consists of less than 3,000 people, it is inhabited by the five oldest Marga of the Sigodang Ulu CP13. The oldest and foremost of these five Marga has a Padde Bolon, a chief Pagbaringin. The two following it in importance have as their leaders a Suhut Nihuta, a Pulung Nabolon. Under these three officials are the five Raja Lima, one of each Marga who act as their assistants. Below the Raja Lima are the Sijalo Panikiran, throughout which Marga, whose function is to examine the offering buffalo. Under these functionaries are the Pangulu Raja, 8 or 10 per Marga, who attend to even more insignificant tasks. And finally, there are the Pahara, the colleagues, altogether about 100 men. Some of these functions are hereditary, either in direct ethnic line or changing alternately from one lineage to another. Official perquisites in fields Uparaja, Upapadde, Upaparhara, Idani Bangin, etc. are attached to some of these duties. The clothing of these officials has in all characteristics. As a rule, their headcloth is the tali birong, which is made of blue yarn. It is clear that the desire for distinction, which is natural to primitive people, is here given full rein. It is also understandable that this small army of officials is a powerful force in the service of traditional religion. It is not necessary here to go into all the particular details concerning usages common to the sacrificial ceremonies of the Buse. Many of them are mentioned in Pespok and Ipeswok, and many points of difference, large and small, will be found from region to region.